Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tiramisu with rum using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all our simple ingredients, ensuring everything is ready to go. Then, I'll guide you through preparing the coffee and rum mixture, perfect for dipping. Next, we'll assemble the layers, creating that classic, irresistible dessert. Finally, I'll explain the crucial chilling process to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. Let's get started on this delightful treat. For this easy tiramisu, you'll need 6 large egg yolks and 100 grams of granulated sugar to create a sweet base. We'll also use 500 grams of high-quality mascarpone cheese, which is key for that luxurious creaminess. Don't forget 200 milliliters of strong brewed coffee, cooled to room temperature, and about 60 milliliters of your favorite dark rum. Finally, grab approximately 24 ladyfingers, ready to soak up all those wonderful flavors. These simple ingredients combine for an amazing dessert. Now for the fun part, assembly. First, whisk your egg yolks and sugar until they are pale and thick, then carefully fold in the mascarpone cheese to create a smooth, airy cream. Next, quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee and rum mixture, making sure not to oversaturate them. Arrange a single layer of these dipped ladyfingers in your 9 by 13-inch dish. Spread half of your delicious mascarpone cream over this layer. Repeat these steps, finishing with a final, generous layer of cream. You're almost there. To finish your tiramisu, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. This adds a beautiful visual appeal and a lovely bitter contrast to the sweet cream. Once dusted, cover your dish tightly with plastic wrap or aluminum foil to prevent any odors from the refrigerator from affecting its delicate flavor. Now, the most important step, refrigerate your tiramisu for a minimum of 4 hours. For the absolute best flavor and texture, I highly recommend chilling it overnight. Then, simply slice and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.